Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. And today, being a very wonderful day, I have decided to show you a little bit of my garden. And here in our society you can see the buildings are getting painted, getting ready for Diwali. And you can see those painters on the roof, the terrace, they are the ones who are painting it. This is the small flower in my balcony garden. I'll show you some plants which I have just repotted. This is a snake plant that I have got from my sister. I have tied this because it was all spreading out from all sides. So in order to keep it in place, I have tied it with wool. Let's see till it gets into the roots get into the soil well. Now this is called the ribbon plant. It was given to me by one of my friend, Suman. Thanks Suman for this lovely plant. She has given me another plant. I will show that to you again. I just planted this in a plastic container till the roots start to develop properly. So this is the plant which and this is the other one. This is the curry plant. This too was given to me by Suman. And this one I have planted it in a pot. And I want to show you this one. This is the stand which I purchased recently. It's a very sturdy one. First I was quite unsure of it, but now I can say that it is a very sturdy one. It can take up a lot of weight. That's actually a herb. It is used in South Indian dishes. Now this is another plant. My husband had bought for me this one. These are all from the plants that have grown from cuttings. See, new leaves have just developed from here, the new shoots. This is the Gonduraj. In Bengali it is called by that name. In English it is called gardenia. I'll be able to show you once it will start blooming. I'll make a video on that after it blooms. And see, new leaves have started coming out. That is the cutting, the small cutting that I had been given first. Now this too on that stand. Now getting on to the next plant. This plant I have shown you all earlier as well. This is the Arabian Jasmine, Belly or Mogra as you may call it. This I have shown the flowers as well in one of the videos. I'll put the link if you want to see. You can have a look at this Mogra flower. Now both this American Jasmine as well as the gardenia that I showed earlier are the ones which liberate a beautiful fragrance. And getting on to the next plant, this is the Tagore. Tagore in Hindi it is called the Chandni, and in English it is the crepe jasmine. This also from the cutting. Can you all see that small cutting? That is how this plant first started off in a small container. Now it has grown up to be quite a big plant. So that is the reason why I shifted them into individual pots, the bigger pots. So here they are. I'll keep them in the shade for a couple of days and then take them towards the sunlight area. So once again, that is the snake plant. Beautiful color, yellow streaks and bottle green. It is a very good indoor plant as well. This is a chili plant. Actually, I had just planted one chili seed. This chili that I had got was very hot and spicy, so I wanted this plant. I just took out one seed, dried it a little and then just planted it in the soil. At first, two small baby leaves came out, but the sparrows were at work at that time and they bit off those leaves, and then the other two leaves have come off recently. Now let me show you this plant. This is rabbit's feet fern. It's a beautiful plant. Look at the leaves, the foliage is so beautiful. I have another fern, that's the Boston fern. I will put the link or the I button. You can just check it out. Boston fern is also very beautiful. Now this is the anthurium and it has bloomed after a long time, but only one flower. The leaves have become big. I am planning to plant it into two pots. I mean separate this plant into two. So I'll be doing that very soon, and I will be growing a few more seasonal plants in the coming days. I'll make a video on that as well. I want to put the seasonal plants on the lower section of this balcony. What are your plans for growing this winter season? Do let us know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And till we meet again in the next video, happy gardening and bye-bye.